But you can deploy.
So it's pretty much rolling a die.
No, you cannot.
No, you just roll on the
When you
table.
overstack, you have to
1
eliminate
through 3
it.
is access.
Okay.
But it's got to be your activation.
I'm reluctant to fire because there's going to be a 12 count.
5.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
So you're close to
14.
done marker, so nothing's really going to happen.
That is also true.
Yeah, so nothing really happens.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we're going to
This guy here.
fire
You really
15
don't
attacks
look
immediately.
Okay.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay. Do you draw your random event?
8,
No, I did.
23.
Oh, okay.
So move into a zone.
We advance the turn marker. Okay. And we remove leaders, which you've already
Yes,
done.
you do.
You see how you 3 plus 3 is 6.
God bless America.
You're having fun again in this game.
Okay. Determine initiative.
God
Plus
bless America.
You got it.
Ah!
So I resolve it with the units.
3.
Ah!
Come back for the timeline.
Coming in back.
I knew it!
Alright, you're not gonna try to steal it back?
Ah! Son of a gun. I'll get a strategy card out of it.
You do, so do I.
No, it's an artillery. So if you get artillery, you just play start of the impulse. Then you're supposed to all assaults like this. You want plus 1 firepower.
He'll have an opportunity to get
Brand.
back.
So an assault. You got it first.
No, so you didn't leave the hex.
So yeah, they are
It's like, hey, we have
woods.
enemies behind us. Let's just about face.
This is an interesting layout. Limit of 1 interdiction breeze.
We get to do all of this.
It's a big
Is that the finger that's in front of the lens?
The same thing's going to be -2. So we'll start with the top unit. 8. So 8 plus 3 11. The second guy, same thing, so it's a -2. Or that's not going to be anything. So, nope. So this guy attacking against him, so same thing -2.
Like you're trying for, and that doesn't work.
7. Yeah.
It's a good general.
And then the second first guy on the oh shoot, you know what I forgot?
All right, what are we shooting?
No, we forgot to add it, so we'll add it for the, we already passed. I'm okay. I'm playing. But I forgot.
Had to energize the artillery guys.
Yeah, so you're leading in the fire mission. So I get the -1 plus 1.
So it evens out.
So it evens out. So no die roll.
But you do have to move in there for 3.
No, I'm not assaulting, I'm just firing. I'm not assaulting, just the fire. So 3, first guy in.
You're shooting the guy on top?
Yep.
Okay.
Shooting, yeah. So,
Did we figure out what all our modifiers are?
yeah, plus, He's at -1, but then +1 because I'm there until.
Okay. So it's even. We got a nice tray, dude.
Yeah.
Just bring it over here. Here, put it over here.
So 6. That was a 6. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Trying to get the check objective.
No.
Okay.
Second guy shoots in. Third guy shoots. Third guy does not shoot. Oh, you know what? You should have been. Should have had a recon there too. It comes adjacent to the target. It should have a +1. You're learning to forget.
I don't think the recon guy would have made a difference either way, though, right?
No, because +1, +1.
Yeah, but your die rolls weren't high enough that.
Right, yeah. I mean, one of them maybe. No.
Alright, let's go 3.
No, 'cause you gotta beat the number.
Right.
And the leader makes it +4.
No, equal to or greater, but I still don't think you did.
No.
You need to make a morale check +1.
Okay. So that's the end of my.
Yeah, on your turn, you can, after your move, next turn, you can rally.
This battery is going to.
I'm saying there's a chance.
He was already disrupted. If I kill anything at this point? Oh, yeah. So that was that time. So I get the next one. Oh.
He doesn't count towards
Okay. So 6, let's do 5. All that artillery is quarter battery fire. I didn't string it like cavalry.
I've just got it. I've got to get you out of here.
Waiting for that. All right. All right.
Stay on the road. That's like you can't. You're starting at this ox. So you can't. So I can move away. You can move away. With my yeah, does he have a rifle unit inside that stack?
Oh, right. +2 and then my.
So you can do that. There's a rifle unit there. Leaving the Zoc would cost extra. Since it doesn't apply, you can normally move it out.
Road through the forest is just a road.
Yep, correct.
That was like my best shot.
Yeah.
You're not going to be able to get all the way to.
Getting those off the map
Better not get this.
doesn't look entirely implausible now.
Yeah. All right.
But there's been a lot of carnage here.
There's been a lot of carnage. The regulars up there to go up and get one.
Yeah, no, they're not.
So you're -2, I'm +2.
Well, yeah, the easy stack of people is kind of.
Yay! I'll finish it.
I mean, basically, I'm trying. I'm deliberately making some attacks where the odds aren't with me.
You need to make a morale check -1.
got to win.
Oh wait, +3, +1.
Treating everybody is not possible
This is a very hard scenario for him. Eliminated. As far as what crap troops they've got.
Much worse for me than for you.
So now you can do all
I got some. What are you up to? 9. Oh, nice. Holy flank attack. That was me, so you're up. Yeah.
didn't move. I thought you were.
Straight die roll, I get a plus one.
Oh, come on.
For, I think just a straight 5. So I've got the minus 1.
Yeah, I have two. So let's hit the elephants first. The mixed missiles.
At the same time, you want to do your guy first?
Yeah, my guy's got to shoot your guy. That's a miss.
That's a miss. I'm going to try to shoot you.
I got it.
We made it.
All that effort?
Please come for my leg.
4.
And I got one.
Do this
Even odds
with a minus 1.
you need to make a morale check. Well,
To be disruptive.
Well, I was gonna go for it, but time got away from me. Which sorcery?
It's
You like this better than regular?
Something hard like a crate or a window that's -2.
I'm an armored boat.
No, boat just has its own hit points. If the boat drops to 0 hit points, he drowns. You're sick. So it,
But it can take a shot or two.
yeah, it can take a shot or 2. So it can take 5 shots. So the only other modifier is short range. If they're within 4, they get +1. So this guy's in short range. So short range shot hits, and the long range shot all hits. So the boat takes 2 points of damage. It's okay. I don't think you guys are going to be in the boat.
We're getting on the boat as soon as we can.
Thank you. It's getting holes shot in it. All right. Now it's back to you guys. Oh, yeah.
The other guys can't.
Yeah, the guy in the front. So that's 2 dice if you want to roll. And then on 4s. Okay, boat's getting. So this is that battle phase that goes from 0 to 60.
Yep. So now back to us. Boat moves first. Let's move here and it'll disgorge us.
Yeah, you can move and attack, and then it gets 2 actions. Move. The first one is a move, and to be clear, and then the second action is to dump guys out. But if you complete an action within sight of guys, you get to shoot. So action number 1 was move.
Okay.
But you can attack with that. So you can be spraying. So you're in the boat and you get to shore.
Alright.
But the danger right now is it can get sunk if it gets shot up.
But so it's move and attack and then
Yeah, so it can move 2 spaces. I would go around the corner so that that guy can't see, presumably.
but they're gonna run.
No, but remember there's reaction fire. So if you complete an action during your turn where Germans can see you, they get a chance to shoot you. But they don't get to do that if they're dead. So if you move the boat and shoot at the same time, you could say gun these guys down, so they don't get to shoot you. Does that make sense?
Okay. I think we do that. I think we gun those 2 guys.
Yeah, and I would sail close to them to get into close range.
So where was it here? How many spaces can it
He
move?
can move 2.
So 1, 2 like that. And then attack those guys.
Yeah, and I think it's
Sten?
yeah, it's just like a Sten gun.
5.
Yeah, but you get +1 if you're close range, and you roll those dice and you can assign the hits to the guy you're shooting at and anybody adjacent.
Those 2 guys.
Yes.
So roll 5 dice and I need what?
They're close range, so you need force.
Fours are better.
Oh no, you don't get that many dice.
It said 5. It says 5.
You need 5 to hit, 3 dice.
Oh. Well, that's good. The pilot that I already said.
Now, roll 360.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh no.
The boat sinks. I should have hauled the boat. Oh no. And wait, we don't get
This
to
is bad because you can grab it.
We don't get to jump out?
Not till the second action. Or you could jump. Well, you could have jumped out on that side, but I don't know that you want to jump out on that side.
No. Yeah, we definitely want to get over. No, we wanted to get off the boat because we're gonna get shot. Yeah.
I guess you could have gone over here. Well, maybe it
What's
gave you
our
bad
health?
The belt takes 5 hit points.
But no, what's our health? We get hit once, we're down.
No, you have 5 hit points.
Okay, then
But we do.
but what I was saying was what I wanted to do was move here immediately and just dump us out.
Right, but
and
the
then
move, the move is 1 action.
Right, so the move would have been 1, 2.
Let me look at let me look up the boat because I didn't make a reference to everything. This is you guys.
He has to make a check, like a death check, like somebody just, yeah, safer not to put him in the air, but especially if somebody gets down and hit.
Calculate firepower. Do we have a superior arms issue here?
Play a recover.
No, it's a recon. Okay, so I'm armor versus recon.
Okay, so recon.
For 4 cards, you seem to have a lot of good cards.
So it's no issue to face.
So, calculating firepower, because each one of your units shoots separate.
Okay.
I had a few rounds where I had to come back.
So we are defenders, terrain, combat modifiers, infantry, or recon. For the town, what's the modifier there?
Well,
Combat terror -1.
-1. Okay. Yep. Is a recon unit, that's -2.
Do we have the VPs for objectives? So that's at the end of the game.
It's attacking the recon unit by open.
well, like this one,
It's a -2. Do we have any
this one is
other?
already known. So
Isn't
when
it
he
night?
took that, it was a 4-point swing.
Is our recon unit supporting the attack?
But
I'm going to discard 3 cards.
what we don't know, what's under his or what's under
Defenders,
mine,
terrain modifier,
could affect things at the end of the game. You discarded, right?
Yeah, you got your hidden
So we
unit.
are
I did.
-2.
You said that already. Play when your opponent
You
discards.
have 4 cards, and you manage to have all the cards that you need every time you need them.
U.S. support table. Okay.
Are you going to get out the real table now?
10.
No, I'm gonna get out my version of it. It's the same. 7 doesn't work for me either.
Protection. We just generated a defense.
7. So I got nothing.
7. No, wait, so NATO, packing inflict
Hey, your magic doesn't work all the
okay,
time.
so it says defensive fire.
So we're gonna put a hit on that guy. And recalculate.
Fuck. But 7 is the most common card.
No, minus the 2.
Half the time it's like you call in for reinforcements or whatever, nothing available. All right, that was not an order. That was an
No
action.
hit for that guy shooting. Now let's shoot that guy. 6.
Okay, we're gonna
That's gonna be
artillery
9 minus
reflex.
2. There's no defensive fire threshold for that. 9 minus 2.
What do you call artillery again? Danger close?
They return to the
Fire for effect! Fire for effect!
The overrun is unsuccessful.
Yeah.
All right, here's my marker.
Okay.
So, well, that thought is mine. That's a learning.
Veteran chapter.